Hey guys, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share the recipe of how to make a perfect Misal Pav, which is very famous in Maharashtra and favorite recipe of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, the famous Indian cricket player. So he said one of his interview that Misal Pav is favorite dish. So for this recipe, what you need, here I added 5 tablespoons of oil, and in this I added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and here I added I took one big onion and I chopped it, and I'm frying all these things. So we have to fry the onion until it becomes light brown in color. And here I chopped 2 to 3 tomatoes. So for this recipe, what you need: onion, tomato, misal pav powder, and the dal, which I will show you. So this is the dal, guys, for the misal pav, which is I sprouted this one at home, and it will take 2 to 3 days for the sprout. So yeah. So this is moth beans, and which is easily available in all the Indian shops. So yeah. Can you see, guys? So, yeah. And it will take 2 to 3 minutes. When it becomes light brown in color, we have to add the chopped tomato, and we have to pressure cook this one for 1 to 2 whistle. This is raw one, guys, and we have to cook this one for 1 to 2 whistle. And here I put that moth beans in the pressure cooker, and it will take 10 minutes at least. So yeah. So here I added the chopped tomatoes, and we have to cook this one for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we have to add all the masalas like turmeric powder, the Kashmiri chili powder, which I will show you guys. So we have to add all the masalas after 2 to 3 minutes. For this recipe, I added 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, guys. So yeah. So after 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add, the first thing is the turmeric powder. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Here I'm adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which gives a nice color in the misal. So this is another street food of Maharashtra, guys. And in this I'm going to add some salt up to your taste. So here I'm adding some salt up to your taste. How much salt you want in your misal. And it's time to add that misal pav powder. So just now I grinded this misal pav powder, guys. If you want the recipe, you can put it in the comment box. Also, I will make the another video how to make the misal pav powder. So this powder is very must for this recipe. I think we usually get this one in the grocery shop. So I'm going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of misal pav powder. So here I am adding this powder. So here I added 1 tablespoon, and I am going to add 3 more tablespoons. So can you see the color, guys? It should be like this only. If you are making this one, you can prepare in a very big pan or use the big pressure cooker. So in this I am going to add the misal. So the misal, the dal is nicely cooked, guys. So I put it in the pressure cooker for 1 to 2 whistles. And first I am going to add this water into this masala. So I added that water in the masala, guys, and after 2 to 3 minutes, when the oil and the water separates, we have to add this cooked dal into this. So can you see, guys, the oil is started coming in the top, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that red thing, can you see, this one, later we will add in our Misal Pav. So this is very spicy gravy, guys. So we have to take out like this. So it will be like this, guys. This is very spicy, and later we will add in the misal. So I'm going to add this cooked dal into this. So I added the cooked dal in this gravy, guys. So can you see the color? I don't know how it looks in the camera, but this is very red color, guys. Very spicy. It seems to be, yeah. So we have to cook this one for 2 to 5 minutes. Then we have to switch off the flame. The misal is ready, and we usually serve with the pav, which I will show you guys. So after 5 minutes, the misal is nicely cooked, and when it becomes cooled down, we have to serve with pav. So this is done, guys. So here I am toasting the pav bun, guys, by adding little bit of butter in the tawa, and here I am toasting this bun. So yeah, if you want to toast, you can. Otherwise, we can eat like this. So the thali is ready, guys. Here I have that tari, and here I have the pav bun. Here I have some chopped onion, and here I have that misal. And what I'm going to do, here is the save, guys. I'm going to add this one in the top of this, which gives more taste in this. And I'm going to add some lemon, which gives a nice taste in the misal. So yeah. So this is a quick video of how to make misal pav at your home, and a very famous dish of Maharashtra, and a very favorite recipe of Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, the Indian cricket player. So yeah. So see you soon in another cooking video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye. And if you want to add the chopped tomato, you can add the chopped tomato as a salad. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.